everyone, this is Sagarika and today we are going to discuss how to write a program to find Fibonacci series up to 10 terms. So before writing program, we must know that what is Fibonacci series. If we will understand the logic, it will be better for us to write a program. It will be easier for us to write the program. So what is Fibonacci series? So suppose I am taking two numbers 0 and 1. So Fibonacci series next number comes by adding the first two numbers 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then the next number of the series will come by adding two numbers, the previous two numbers 1 plus 1, 2. Then the next number will come by adding the previous two numbers 2 plus 1, 3. Then the next number will be 3 plus 2 by 5. In this way we complete the Fibonacci series. But it is not always necessary that we will start the Fibonacci series from 0 or 1. It could be start from any number. Suppose I am taking 2 and 5 two numbers. So the next number of the Fibonacci series will be 2 plus 5, 7. Then the next number of the Fibonacci series will be 5 plus 7, 12. Then 19. In this way the Fibonacci series will be completed. Okay. So this is the logic that what is Fibonacci series. So we will write the program for this Fibonacci series. So suppose to write the program for this Fibonacci series, we will start writing algorithm. We will start understanding the logic. So as we know that algorithm is the step or the sequence of the instructions we always write in our own word before writing program, so that it makes easier for us to write the program. So always it starts with start, then as this is the series, so suppose I am taking two values a and b and I am assigning these two numbers 0 and 1. I am keeping these two value in these two variables a and b. So I am assigning here first a as 0 and b as 1. Then I will print these two numbers. As I have taken these two numbers, I have started the Fibonacci series from 0 and 1. I will print these two numbers. I will print the values of A and B. Then the third number. How I will get the third number? By adding A plus B. Whatever the value of A and B, always the C value we will get by adding A plus B, that is 0 plus 1 equal to 1. That is the next Fibonacci number. So what we will do here, we will initialize one counter value here who will count, because here it is given that up to 10 terms we will write the Fibonacci series. So we will assign a value or variable that is count as 2. Why 2? Because already we have printed two numbers from that 10 terms. Okay, so we will initialize or assign the count. We are taking a counter which is counting that two values we have already printed. Then the third value, how we will getting? We are getting the third value C equal to A plus B. That we are adding A plus B and we are getting the third value. Then we will print the third value. We will print the value of C. Then what we will do? We will go to the next value. How we will get the next value? So always going to the next value, the C value will be swapped to B value and the B value will be swapped to A value. That means A will be 1, B will be C value 1. The next number will be what? Always C equal to A plus B, that is 1 plus 1, 2. In this way, again, we will swap the value C as B, then B as A. Again, the A value will be 1, B value will be C value, that is 2, then 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So, in this way, we will continue. That is, we will swap the value A equal to B, B equal to C, and till what we will do? Till what we will count? We will always count the value by adding 1, or we will incrementing the counter value. Each time we will get the next value, it will count. Yes, we have printed third number. we have printed fourth number. So till what it will count? It will count by condition, by giving condition till less than equal to 10. So when it will see that up to 10 numbers we have reached, it will repeat the step C equal to A plus B till this condition. So repeat step 5 for this condition. So when the condition gets satisfied, when 10 numbers we will write, it will stop. This is the algorithm, this is the logic. So each time we will initiate, then we will get the third value by adding this two initialization number, that is 0 plus 1. We are adding each time 10 numbers, it will count, then it will swipe and it will print the value up to the condition gets satisfied. So this is the logic, or this is the algorithm. So let's write the program for this same algorithm. So here I am writing the program. So as we know that the program always starts from hash include standard input output dot header file, then void main, as it is the head of the program. Without this we could not execute. Then we will initialize the value int A, B, C and one more counter value, that is C and T. Okay. A, B, we need C and counter value C and T. Then what we will do? Then we will initialize A as we are printing this two values 0 and 1. We are initializing first A as 0, B as 1. Then we are printing it. So to print the value, we use printf /n for new line. Percentage is the specifier, format specifier for integer type of value. Then we are printing A value. Then printf new line, percentage, that is a format specifier for B value, for integer type of B value. So it will print 0 and 1. Then what it will do? As two number we have already printed, count equal to 2. Then we will give the condition. What is the condition I have given here? Count when it will be less than equal to 10. Till that the loop or this condition will be executed. C equal to A plus B for what? For getting the next value. Then it will print the value of C, or the third value each time we get, it will be printed. Then it will swap the value and it will increment the count by 1. You could write also count plus plus. Then it will close the while loop. Then it will close the void main. Okay. So this is the program for how to write the Fibonacci series.